All right, what's going on, guys? I'm Lawson with Custom Offsets. Today we have another spotlight for you guys. This is Nick's 2011 Ford F-150 Platinum. He's rocking a 6.5 inch lift, push up to 9 inches, 2414s, 35's. Let's check it out. All right, guys, so in order to fit this big wheel and tire package, Nick had to have his F-150 lift. So he's got a 6.5 inch McGaughy's lift kit, and then he's also got a Bilstein leveling strut to push it up to 9 inches, as well as ARKON billet aluminum delta joint upper control arms. So moving into the wheel and tires, you can come on in here. We have 24, 14, negative 81 ARKON Caesars in chrome. And then wrapped in that is the AMP Terrain Attacks in a 35, 13.5. All right, Ryan, if you want to come in here, we are going to get a bill test on these ARKONs. I got a nice, very used $10 bill. Had 20 last week, spent my paycheck, so now I got 10. All right, so if we're coming in here, dollar bill is usually about 6 inches. Go all the way to the lip. It's greater than 6 inches. Looks about 7.5 inch on the lip. So quite a bit of lip on this ARKON Caesar. So one unique thing about Nick's truck is this actually went from a 6-lug to an 8-lug conversion. Now, this is a 6-lug truck, but because we did not have the wheels in stock and Nick was ready to build his truck and just could not wait, he ended up doing a 2-inch Bora adapter conversion to convert it to 8-lug, so that way he could get his chrome Caesars, get his tires on, get his lift kit on, and go mob around town. All right, so next up, in order to fit this wheel and tire package, obviously this package is enormous. So in order to fit it on this F-150, we did have to take some chunks out of the bumper. So that way Nick has full clearance now whenever he's turning and driving around town. Moving on out to the back, Nick actually got a ready lift add-a-leaf in the rear, and then also you can see the McGaughy shocks as well. That's pretty much all that's going on in the rear. All right, so moving out to the front, Nick's got some Boost Auto Parts switchback tow mirrors installed. He honestly gets a lot of questions about these things, and they honestly bring the whole truck together with the huge wheel and tire package and how far it sticks out. So this was a huge addition. He's also got Morimoto XP headlights and fogs, as well as some wheel lights to really light this thing up. He's also adding a 30-piece rock light kit to this thing to really light this thing up at night. So that's what we got for you guys. This is Nick's 2011 Ford F-150 Platinum. If you guys need wheels, tires, suspension, customoffsets.com. See you on the next one.